Hello students, let us start chapter 4, that is adjectives. Okay, chapter 4, adjectives. We have completed lesson 1 and 3 and we need a chapter 4 and 5 also should be completed for the periodical text. So chapter 4 is about the adjectives. So before we start the lesson, let me tell you something about the definition of the adjective. What is the definition of the adjectives? As we know that adjectives are describing words. What is the adjective? Adjectives are words that describes and give additional information about the noun or pronoun. That is what we have learned in the smaller classes also. Adjective describes the noun. Okay, adjective describes and give additional information about the noun or a pronoun. So here it is, the first on page number 29, it is written that can you identify some of the adjectives which is given below? Adjective, you know that it is describing or give additional information about the noun. And here it is written Paul, quick, there, kind, city, generous, quietly, courage, himself. So you can see in your textbook on page number 29, what are the adjectives which is given here. What are the adjectives? From here we can list out the adjectives. Quick, quick is an adjective. Kind, it's an adjective. And generous, adjective. Quietly, it's an adjective. And courage, it's also an adjective. So again we will just revise what is an adjective. Adjective describes and give additional information about noun or a pronoun. Now the next comes the type of adjective. How many types of adjectives are there? How many types of adjectives are there? 6 types. So what are types of adjectives? Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, and possessive adjective. We have learned types of adjectives. Adjectives of quantity, quality, number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, and possessive adjective. Now we will learn, let us revise the adjective one by one. Okay? First one is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. What it is adjective of quality? Adjective of quality are used to describe the kind of quality of a noun. What it describes? It describes the kind of quality of a noun. For example, good, bad, clean, sweet, nice. All this comes under the adjective of quality. Revise once again. What is the adjective of quality? Adjective of quality used to describe the kind of quality of a noun. Which kind of quality of a noun? Okay, these are the words, the adjective of quality. Sweet, clean, bad, good, nice. These are the nouns comes under the adjective of quality. The second type is adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. What is adjective of quantity? Adjective of quantity tell us how much of a thing there is. How much of a thing there is. And they are used for uncountable nouns. So adjective of quantity is used with uncountable nouns. So what are the words which we use? What are the nouns which we use for the adjective of quantity? Some, little, much, enough. These are the words which we used for adjective of quantity. How much? Quantity means itself the meaning is shown. No? How much of a thing there is. What is the quantity? How much of a thing there is. Okay. This word, the adjective of quantity is used with uncountable nouns. Some, can we count? Some sugar, can we count? No. Little, enough, much. These are comes under the adjective of quantity. The third type is adjectives of number. Adjectives of number. Adjectives of number informs us how many things are there. How many things are there. They are used with countable nouns. They are used with countable nouns. Okay. So what is the a few? Few, many, ordinal numbers and cardinal numbers. This all comes under the adjectives of number. Okay. First, second, third. This all comes under the adjectives of number. Okay. So what are things we learned here? Types of adjective. We have explained now 3 types here. What are the types we have explained? Adjective of quantity, adjective of quality, and adjective of number. And under adjective of quantity, which are the words comes good, bad, clean, and adjective of quantity, some, little, enough. The next one is adjective of number, which comes few, many, and ordinal numbers, and also cardinal numbers. Okay, these are the 3 types of adjective. Now take page number 30. Page number 30. Let's practice. This is an exercise for you to do. Read the passage and underline the adjectives. Adjectives of quantity, quality, and number. Write the adjectives in the table as shown in the next page. Okay, so you have to read the passage and find out whether it is which adjectives, whether it is a quantity, whether it is a quality, and whether it is a number. Okay, the first one I will tell you. Once upon a time, there lived 3 billy goats on one side of the mountain. So here it is 3 comes. 3. So which is here? Which adjective it is 3? 3 is the adjective of number. Isn't it? Adjectives of number. This ordinals. 3. So here we write adjective of number. Okay, beta? Adjective of number. So next one, sweet. They decided to go up to the other side of the mountain to eat the sweet. Sweet comes under adjective of quality. Okay, adjective of quality. So you will write under the column where you will write sweet. Here adjective of quality, sweet. Okay, rest of the things you will do by yourself as a homework. And the next page, again it is on page number 31. Page number 31, what it is written? Some more adjectives. We have learned there are 6 adjectives, types are there. And some more are here. What are the some more here? The second one is demonstrative adjective. Here. The fourth one is demonstrative adjective. Next is interrogative adjective. The other one is possessive adjective. So demonstrative adjectives. What is demonstrative adjectives? Demonstrative adjectives are words such as this, that, there, and they point the nouns they precede. Okay? Demonstrative adjectives are words such as this, that, there, and they point out the words point out the nouns which they precede. For example, Certain people have food allergies. Certain people have food allergies. Here certain is the demonstrative adjective. Certain people have food allergies. Here certain, it is pointing out to the noun. People, but they have food allergies. Okay, so here certain is the demonstrative adjective. It is pointing out to the noun they precede. The second one is example we can take. Such people have to very careful. Such people have to very careful. Here what is the demonstrative adjective? Such. Such is the people. It is pointing out to something. Such people have to very careful. It is pointing out to the people. So here it is a demonstrative adjective in the both the sentences. First one is certain people have food allergies. The next is such people. Both such and certain pointing out to something. So we can say that it is a demonstrative adjective. The next one is interrogative. Interrogative adjective. What is interrogative adjectives? Interrogative adjectives are words such which, whose, what, when. They are used to ask questions. Whose, what, that are used along with the noun to ask questions. Okay. So, in the definition of interrogative adjectives is, interrogative adjectives are words such as which, whose and what that are used to along with the noun to ask questions. These words used along with the noun to ask the questions. Okay, what are the words which is used? What, which, whose, when, where. These words we use along with a noun. Always remember, along with a noun we ask the question. So here it is. Whose book did you borrow? Whose is here? Interrogative. And book here, noun. So what is the definition? That is used along with the noun to ask the questions. Whose is here? Interrogative. Book is here, noun. It asks the question, whose book did you borrow? Okay, it's an interrogative adjective. Now the next sentence, for example, we can say, which mango can be better? Or which mango can be eaten? Which is here interrogative, mango is here noun. So it is used to ask along with a noun the question. Word which is interrogative and mango is a noun in the sentence. So it is asking questions here, which mango can be eaten? Okay, so here which is used as the interrogative sentence. The next one is possessive. Possessive adjectives are used such words our, his, her and made that indicate belonging. Possessive adjective. What's a possessive adjective? We say possessive adjectives is used to indicate the belonging. His, her, yours, ours. All these words which you use in the possessive adjective. Okay. The example which is given here, the dog wagged its tail. Its, here is the possessive adjective. Its. And the next sentence, their bags are in the locker. Their, T-H-E-I-R, there is a belonging. Their bags are in the locker. There is your possessive adjective. Okay, so we have learned here what is the definition of the adjective, the types of the adjective, and with its examples. Okay, children, that's all today. What's the homework for you? You will be revising the chapter, writing the definition in the copy, and revising the types of the adjectives and learning one by one. But the rules which is given in the textbook, you will be learning it thoroughly. Okay, thank you for listening.